everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY eyelash extension tutorial, as you can see by the name of this title. And today I will be reviewing these lashes right here. They are sold on Amazon, and I will link where you can purchase everything that I bought down in the description box below. But I'm super excited about this because I was wanting to get my lashes professionally done, and it was going to be like $130. I think it cost me under $130 to buy everything that I needed, and I will be able to do my eyes multiple times rather than going to get them done, spending $130 plus like $30 to $40 for a fill. Sorry about my hair and stuff. Like literally, I just woke up. Literally woke up like this, but yeah, I have no makeup or anything on. I don't plan on putting on makeup today. This is just all natural, my natural beauty. So everything that I bought, so I bought the lashes, and I think these retail for like $12.99 if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, I will link it down below. I know that these were $12.99, and these are the tweezers, applicators. If you have tweezers like this, you can also use these. These just make it easier when you're pressing the lashes to your regular lashes, so that's why I bought those. This is the glue that I will be using. It's clayless glue, and I also bought the remover for removing the lashes, which I'm not going to do right now. I actually got this sent to me. I didn't buy this. I got this sent to me like a few months ago, and it's crazy because this is the sealant that I bought to like seal your lashes after you apply them so that they're not sticky. So I did buy this as well. This is the sealant. And like I said, I will be linking everything in the description box down below. And before you do anything, I've already used this, which is why my eyes are a little red right now. I washed my lashes with this, and it has like a little brush. You just open it, squeeze a little bit, and wash your lashes with it. And it is oil free, so it gets everything nice and clean so that your oils won't remove the lashes. It's just like a nice clean surface to work with. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into this. So this is what the lashes look like. They're like super, super soft, really pretty. This is like a close-up what they look like. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to I'll lift this up. So I'm gonna start out by applying the lash glue. Let's start on this side. And I like to apply the glue at the base and then work it up. I know a lot of people don't like to apply it too far up into their lashes. But I do, because I feel like it's just more glue to like hold the lashes on. So I just put on the glue like that. And then I'm going to take my things. I'm just going to work one off. Like that. Let me go ahead and get it at the top. Making sure my bottom lashes are not stuck to it. I'm going to look down. I don't know if you can see. That is one on. Now I'm going to grab another lash. I just very gently remove them because I don't want to break them. Same thing. Turn it around. And these are 12 millimeters. and it's a D curl. The lash glue, so it's wanting to stick. So you just wipe it down when that happens. I like them to be really close together because I don't like any gaps to be in my lashes. And this set right here will last me like a few, like over a month. So I'm excited about it. I have already tried this. I did another video with another set of lashes, and I didn't like those lashes much, and those were Amazon as well. And the video quality was just so bad, I was like, nah, I'm not posting that. So as you can see, like right here, I got some glue on this bottom lash. I just took it off. It's looking a lot better. I look so weird without makeup. Just so used to doing my makeup. Gotta glue on this again. And if you get glue on the applicator, you just easily remove it, because sometimes when you do that, it'll stick. So I'm going to clamp these down. So one more and I should be good on this eye. Remove all the glue again. When I clamp down, it usually gets a little glue on it. And this is how you grab it. Just grab it like that. Look down. Okay, so I'm done with this eye. I used 6 lashes for this top set, and that is perfect. And I'm just going to go back through and just clamp everything down, just to make sure everything's like really on there. Sticks a little bit. It's okay. I just want to make sure that those roots are all even. And now I'm going to get my sealant. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put this on just slightly underneath it. So the reason why you want to seal it, because if there's any glue, it won't stick to your bottom lashes and your like eyes kind of stick together. So that's why you want to add that. And these are like really, really comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye real quick, and I will show you my end results. And that is what they look like. As you can see, they look like really pretty. Like from this side, I don't know if you can see. They're so pretty. I love eyelashes, like, and to be able to wear these and, you know, wake up and not feeling like I have to put on a ton of makeup. Seriously, that's like life-changing. I also want to try to figure out something to dye my brows, but like henna or something to where it dyes my skin. I mean, I don't have the worst brows. So I used that new brow, and my brows actually grew out quite well. Like I have like a few spots where it's a little more sparse, but they're not bad. So if I wake up looking like this, like, I don't know, I feel prettier. I don't feel like I need to put on a ton of makeup. Like you seen my before, this is after. I just feel more like myself, you know, and it's something that's easy. This glue is supposed to last up to 2 to 3 weeks, like regular lash extensions. It's supposed to be really good. Now, when you shower, you're not supposed to, like, even with eyelash extensions, you're not supposed to just like wash your face. You have to be careful. Like when you shower, you put your head back and you wash your hair and try to not get water on your face. They do sell like face shields, I've heard, to where you can, like, it shields your face. I guess you could wear like goggles if you wanted to. If you just wanted to wash without having to worry, you could put on goggles and wear goggles in the shower. Sure, they would get steamy, but I mean, if you want them to last even longer, you can do stuff like that. But they are so pretty. I did get a little too much glue right here, so next time, I mean, this is my second time putting them on, so I'm gonna have to work with it. The last ones I bought off Amazon, they weren't these lashes, and I didn't like them because they were too long and they were all the same length, so it looked funny on this side. These are so stinking pretty. They look more natural, other than it looks like I put on mascara and kind of clumped it up. That's what it looks like. But as you can see, so these were $12. So this is $9. I think this was a little more. It may have been like in the $14, $15 range. But you don't have to have the sealant if you don't want it. Like the last set I did was not sticky at all. This set was a little more sticky, but I put a little more glue, and I think that's why. But eventually the glue does die down. Like it doesn't remain as tacky, but it has to dry. So this isn't a must-have. So honestly, all you need is this and this. And if you want, you could use regular tweezers, but it's harder to like just push them in. This just makes it a lot easier. And like I said, so like what, 10, 20, 30, maybe $40. And you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different times. Plus you got 2 left over. That's probably another set. So 8 times of lash application with this right here. And like I said, I will link everything down in the description box below where you can purchase all this. I hope you guys like this video. This is my first time doing a video like this, so I was super excited because I want to share my journeys with you guys. And when I find something that works, I want to share it with you. And if it doesn't work, I want to share, you know, I want you guys to know I want to share everything with you guys. And I am excited to be doing this and seeing how it works and how I like it. So if you know me and you've been on my channel for a while, you will know that I wear false lashes all the time. And sometimes like they poke my inner corner. I have no issues with when I apply them underneath the lash like that. Like they don't feel like I have anything on my eyes. Super comfortable. And as you can see, like they just look so natural. Like it looks like my lashes. You can see that. Looks like my regular lashes. There's no lines, nothing. I love it. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.